right, it's a new day. I got 2 bookings today. I'm going to get those taken care of. One's gonna be a basic cleaning with a sectional extraction. They spilled like seafood underneath their driver's seat, so I'll be removing the back seat or the driver's seat. And sorry, trying to get this car turned on, but I'll be removing the driver's seat and extracting just that area to get the smells out. And then I got a basic cleaning to do as well as rear brakes on this car. I don't really offer mechanical work like that, but I am capable, so I'm gonna help out this client. They are friends and family, so we're gonna get them taken care of. But yeah, we're about to hit the road and get to the jobs. All right, so we're at our first detail car. It's a newer CRV, I think 2017 CRV. This one in specific has the spillage underneath the driver's seat. There was like raw fish underneath there, so we're gonna remove the seat and then extract as much as we can out of the carpet to pull as much as that, I guess, the spilled fluids underneath the seat out. But we're gonna get right to it. Take a look at this back seat. What kids? Did the client have kids or not? I don't know, because once I got done with it, there was no evidence to show. And as you can see, it's fairly clean in there, you know. It could definitely use a deeper cleaning just to like sanitize and sterilize everything 100% properly, but we were able to make way on this interior and it came out really good. I just finished this car. I'm not going to the second client just because I hurt my ankle or my leg this morning at a soccer match, so I'm gonna just chop it up to what it is. I already contacted them. They're okay with it. They rather me be healthy than, you know, be cleaning their car and doing some repair. So I'm calling in for the rest of the day, and just, yeah, part of the game. No need to overdo it. Rest up when you can, especially if you're injured. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just trying to you know, make sure my leg is all right. You know, I definitely can't walk straight on it. I've got a slight limp, so it is what it is for now, but hopefully by tomorrow I'll be good and then I can start back up again. But yeah, minor injuries, should be a couple days max, maybe 1 day. But yeah, we knocked that car out. The smell has decreased. It's not 100% gone. I have my assumptions as to why. It's been in there for a minute, but it's not as potent as it once was. So we did chip away at the smell, which was the main objective, and just wipe down the surfaces and clean it, which we achieved all those things. And the car is a lot cleaner than it once was. So I'm happy with the results, and I'm sure the client will be happy with the results too. But yeah, get with you next time I have another booking, so stay tuned. Yeah, it's the Whip Doctor.